Hello dear friends and welcome to this video which will explain how to delete and remove Windows old folder. Let's shed light on the reasons that lead to the generation of Windows old. There are two reasons for the appearance of this folder on the C drive, which takes up a large amount of space on the drive. The first is that you installed a new Windows without formatting the C drive, which leads to installing the new Windows while keeping the old one in a folder called Windows Old. The second reason is that although C is formatted when installing the new Windows, but after a period of time, this folder appears because of Windows Updates downloads. So, Windows Old folder is created to keep the old files before. In general, these are the two reasons, and the solution is one to completely remove this folder and its contents and save enough space to improve the computer's performance. Now, how to delete Windows Old folder? It is not by opening Drive C and go to Windows Old folder to delete it like any folder, like normal folders. It's a waste of time to do this, and the computerists will laugh at you. Go to the Drive C, then right-click and Properties. Then click Disk Cleanup. Now it's calculating. Take all these items because they are trash files to delete them to free enough space. Then hit Clean up system files. Now it's calculating and scanning for previous Windows. Now take previous Windows installations. See the size, 8.7 gigabytes. It's a large amount. Okay. Then delete files and wait for cleaning. Wait for reaching to the end. Don't forget this space. Okay? And after cleaning, see the difference. Click yes and wait. It takes a period of time. See cleaning previous Windows installation. This is the Windows Old folder. The cleaning process reached to the end. Let's check the Drive C. No Windows Old now. Now open my computer to check Drive C again. Now, the space was increased. Thank you for your watching, and I love you to be a member of my channel by subscribing and activating the bell button to receive all new notifications and all new videos. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye.